Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Nkem, and if this is your first time here on my channel, seeing my face, you're welcome to this channel. Please subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of my uploads, and also give this video a huge thumbs up. Leave your comment in the comment section after watching this video. So today's video, I have this beautiful wig from Luvme hair. The hair came in this purple box, really cute. So let me just show you guys everything that came alongside with this wig, and I've not opened this before, so let me just unbox this together. So when you open the box, this is the first thing you see, and this is your hair. This is the hair it came with, and then you get to see this comb. This is really cute. And then they sent some hair packs, like what you use to hold your hair. They sent this. The hair came with this as well, and then there's a pair of lashes. This is a 3D lash, and is a 2-in-1, like is a 2-set kind of lash. And then they sent this, and then they sent these earrings, guys. This is so cute. See, this is lovely. I love this earring. They sent this earring, and then you have their card that contains their details, how to care for the wig and how to use your wig, and just their social media handle. Like everything you need to know about them is on this card here. So that is everything that was sent. So let me just show you guys this wig. This is a 4x4 lace closure wig, and is a 20-inch straight wig. It's a 4x4 closure wig, and it came with this elastic band. With this, you don't need to wear it with any form of glue. Just use this and you're good to go. And you guys know that closure wig does not really require like glue. Straight out of the box, this is what the wig looks like. It's so lush, and it's a 100% virgin hair from one donor, guys. This hair is a good quality hair. The texture is sleeky, it's good, like, and it's in color 1B, but you can kind of dial it if you want to. It can be dialed, and the hairline came pre-plucked. You guys can see it came pre-plucked like this. So beautiful. This hairline came pre-plucked, and this is a construction of the wig cap. It has one comb here, two by the side, one at the middle, and then one under. Also, there's an adjustable strap that came with this wig. You guys can see how lush, how sleek this wig looks. Like, I've not even done anything to this wig. This is just how it came straight out of the box. Like, I've not even straightened the wig yet. You guys see how lush this wig looks, guys. See, I'm going to leave all details of this wig in the description box as always. You guys should check my description box for more details on this wig. So this is what the hairline looks like, guys. It came pre-plucked, so you don't need to pluck it again. So let me just try this wig on, and then you guys will see the rest by yourself. I'm just showing you guys what it looks like straight out of the box. See, let me show you guys the full length. Look at where it is on me. So let me take these off and just cut at the lace, because I really want it to be like perfect.
carry you home. I will carry you home. With you got nowhere to go. I need you to know I will carry you home. Carry you home.
This wig again is a 20-inch straight 4x4 lace closure wig and is a 100% virgin hair, like from one donor, guys. So this hair is a good quality hair. You guys can feel it from the texture, so sleeky and super straight. Okay, like you don't need much work with this wig, and you guys know that with a 4x4 lace closure wig you don't need to use glue except you want to, but see, I did not use any glue and it just stays secured, like looks so natural and just melt into the skin. You guys see how it looks, and the pattern is, you guys, this wig is gorgeous. Okay, so I'm going to leave all details of this wig in the description box, so check my description box for more details on this unit, and do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Leave your comments in the comment section, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.
Don't you think we're done?